Hey, I'm Pat. Welcome to Daily Devo. Today we're going to talk about being weird. You probably would not appreciate it if I looked right at you and said, you're a little weird. You're a little off. You're peculiar. Probably not encouraging words to you, but maybe they can be. Maybe they should be. So let me look at you right now and encourage you with these words. You're a little weird. You're a little off. You're peculiar. How's that encouraging? Let me show you. In 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 9, Peter writes these words, "But you are not like that, for you are a chosen people. You are a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's very own possession. As a result, you can show others the goodness of God, for he called you out of the darkness into his wonderful light." Now, there's 4 specific things this passage says about anyone who has put their faith in Jesus. It says that we are a chosen people. It says we are a royal priesthood. It says we are a holy nation. And it says we are God's own possessions. It would take days to unpack the depth of those statements, but let me just summarize it with these words. Let this sink into your soul right now. You and I, have been chosen not by some team captain at recess, but by the God of this universe. We've been chosen to be part of his eternal kingdom. We've been chosen to have a special place in God's unfolding plan of redemption. We've been chosen to be his sons and daughters. We've been chosen to be heirs to a kingdom that is beyond our imaginations and has no end. Wow! And we've been chosen to be a little weird, a little peculiar, a little different. Why do I say that? Because some translations literally say we are called to be a peculiar people. And it's actually referring back to something God said about his people way back in Exodus chapter 19, verse 5, where he refers to them as his treasured possessions. Now, 2 things to take from these amazing statements. Number 1, you are a treasured possession of the one who made you and saved you. You are not just a possession of his, but a treasured possession. Wow. Maybe right now, just say these words out loud to yourself. I am a treasured possession of God's. Come on, say it. Say it out loud. I am a treasured possession of God's. Second takeaway from this is what we are called. A peculiar people, because we should be a little different, a little odd, a little set apart from what everyone else does, how everyone else thinks, what everyone else watches. I'm not suggesting we become some of those wacko people that others smirk and point at, those people that no one really wants to be like. I'm saying that Jesus has called us to be the light of the world, to let our light shine before others, that they may see our good deeds and praise our Father in heaven, to be the salt of the earth, to love people better, to show more grace, to have more patience, to display more joy, to demonstrate more kindness. Listen, for the very reason that you and I are his treasured possession is why we should stand out, is why we should be lights. We should be a little different. And so again, let me look right at you and encourage you with these words. You're a little weird. You're a little off. You're peculiar. And as treasured possessions of God, that's a good thing.